Yes, sir.
They're here. Oh, I can feel it.
Hello, turkeys of ye oldie time. We've come from the future in a time machine named Steve to save you.
Quiet! We were leading the hunters away from our nest till you came along, shrieking like terrified hens. Who are you?
Yeah, you tell him, Ranger. Right, Burley? Ha ha ha! Woo! Don't leave me hanging, Ranger. Burley's right there. He looks up to me.
The hunters are returning. We need to move. I have the lead. Everyone, follow me.
He has the lead.
Stay in formation.
In formation. Stay. This is really dangerous.
Hold on.
Oh, boy. Wow, this is a fast pace today. I love it, though.
We should catch up with the others.
Wait! Just stay. That's the only thing holding me back. How you doing?
Come on.
Oh! My name's Reggie, by the way. I'm a Pisces.
I'm Jenny. I'm running for my life.
Round them up, boys!
Everyone, this way.
This way. Everyone.
Bernie!
Oh, yeah! Out of the way!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
Come here, you!
Whoa!
Okay, he's leaving.
Great.
So, what's a Pisces?
Oh, wow.
Is everything okay?
I don't know, is it?
Oh, I fell out of the nest when I was a baby.
Oh, so that's why your eyes...
What's wrong with my eye? I'm just kidding. Whenever I get nervous, it goes... There, now there's just one of you.
Ranger, what should we do now? We should return home and report what happened.
No! We should attack the fort and free your captured comrades.
Burley and Amos are my friends, but we cannot risk the safety of the flock.
Then I'll go myself, if you lack the courage.
Courage. I'll show you courage. Harsh.
Enough with your impressive and very gross display. Let's just get back home.
Wow.
It's all about confidence.
Oh!
Bradford, come out here!
Get out here! Governor Bradford!
Please, gentlemen, please, settle down, all right? You guys look like you're starving.
We are starving!
We want the food in storage!
We have talked about this. That food is for the coming feast with the Wampanoag Indians.
But we're hungry now!
We're all hungry.
You don't look hungry!
I've got a hyperthyroid issue. Now, as you know, we have not stored enough food to see us through the winter. See that hill? That's last winter. That will be all of us if we do not become friends with the Indians. We need that help. Without it, we will not survive, all right? Oh! Oh! 3 days! That's it! I promise. You can all hold out.
Yes! Governor Bradford is right! We can all hold out!
Except for Clancy. But he was sick on the boat, so that's not on me.
Food in storage!
Give us them keys!
Mommy!
Standish has returned!
Standish! Miles, you've returned! Hi! Ha! Did I tell you I was gonna provide food for you? Yes, I did, didn't I?
You call that a bounty?
Standish, the people want my head. And if we do not have the feast, I'm afraid they will take it. We need food. Anything at this point.
I said I would get you turkeys. And that's what you are going to get. Even more than you can eat.
Right, well, good chat. Talk tomorrow. What a personality.
So, Alpha Turkey up there, or... What's the story? You two, rubbing waddles, or...
Ew, no, Ranger is my brother.
Get inside.
Inside, get!
And, even if he wasn't, I'm looking for more mind and less muscle.
Really? Are you serious? Because I have like almost no muscle. Literally, I'm like nothing.
Maybe you should get that looked at. After you. It's a tiny drop, I promise.
Oh! Oh. Glutes.
So this is everyone.
An army in need of a commander.
Wow. I've never seen so many turkeys in one place, actually doing things. I'm just shocked.
So in the future, turkeys just sit around all day, eating and staring at the wall?
Yes. I mean, no, that would be, some do, no one I know.
If we weren't doing things, we'd become dumb. Don't you think?
Hello, wild, undomesticated, simple turkeys from the distant past. I have brought you a gift, and the gift is me. I am Jake. I have traveled in a time machine named Steve in order to stop Thanksgiving and get turkeys off the menu.
What's Thanksgiving?
Yeah, that's right. It hasn't happened yet. It's a feast of sorts.
What's a menu?
A menu, it's like a list of food items in a restaurant.
What's a restaurant?
That's not important. What's important is that you stop asking me questions and agree to follow me blindly.
No! We will not fight. I am Broadbeak, leader of the flock. And this is Leatherbeak, High Elder and my most trusted advisor.
You have traveled a great distance. You. And your lovely wife. She's beautiful, so soft and feminine.
Father, this is Jake and Reggie. They're from the future, apparently.
Father?
Please, walk with me. Jake, you speak with deep conviction.
Well, I can speak even deeper, if you like.
We did not always live underground. We lived above in the trees, but then the settlers came, and we were forced into hiding. But we were safe, and over time, we turned what we thought our prison into our home.
I understand, sir, but the Great Turkey told me what I must do.
I know, the Great Turkey, terrible name for an imaginary friend, right?
It is my destiny.
Well, Jake, let me show you our destiny.
Careful.
This is our future. Our destiny lies with them. You are welcome to stay as long as you like, but as long as you are here, you will respect our ways. We do not fight. We defend. We protect. And we survive.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Reggie, look. Here. Just hold it like this.
Whoa. I'm not really the baby holding type.
It's easy. Even a super advanced future turkey can do it. Oh, she wants you to throw up some worms into her mouth. What girl wouldn't?
That's sweet. And disgusting. I think she likes me.
Yeah, maybe she does.
Oh, almost fell. Hey, you ticklish? You ticklish? Oh.
Well, good night, Reggie from the future.
Good night, Jenny from my dreams. What, you want some worms? I'm not gonna do it, it's disgusting.
Oh, my stomach's aching. Mine too.
This is it, my friend. The end.